Are you one of the many Windows 10 users who recently upgraded to Windows 11 and found that the drag and drop feature is not working properly? If you're working in Photoshop and want to drag and drop an image, you might have noticed that it's not as simple as it used to be. You have to resize the browser and then drag and drop.
No.
It's time consuming and not at all convenient. The same goes for uploading photos and videos to YouTube. You can't just drag and drop anymore. You have to resize the Windows Explorer and then drag and drop. Again, it's not convenient, and if you're an editor using Premiere Pro, you might find that you can't drag and drop music to your timeline anymore. It's frustrating and time-consuming. Windows 11 seems to have taken away the simple drag and drop feature that we all loved in Windows 10. It's a painful experience and it's causing a lot of frustration for many users, but don't worry, there's hope for a fix in the future. Microsoft could easily add the drag and drop feature from Windows 10 to Windows 11 with a simple update. So, if you're missing the simple and convenient drag and drop feature in Windows 11, consider going back to Windows 10 for now or hope for a fix soon. Thank you for watching.